As blood flows through the capillaries in the lungs, it receives oxygen from the environment and loses carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood flows from the lungs in the pulmonary circuit back to the left side of the heart. These two structures right here are the pulmonary veins on the left side, and they're veins because they carry blood towards the heart, but this is some of the most oxygen-rich blood you would have in your system. The veins from the right lung to the left atrium are found right there. So those are the two pulmonary veins from the right side. They travel behind the heart and carry blood into the left atrium right here. So there's complete separation in our heart if things are working between oxygen-poor blood on the right and oxygen-rich blood on the left. This is the left atrium. When it contracts, it pumps blood down through this valve right here, which would be the left atrioventricular valve or the left AV valve, also known as the mitral valve, or also known as the bicuspid valve. These are the tendinous cords that support it. This is the left ventricle right here, the biggest, most muscular chamber in your heart. This chamber has oxygen-rich blood, and the left ventricle has the responsibility of circulating blood into all the systemic arteries, arterioles, and ultimately capillaries. If we look up through there, right down underneath, a little bit farther to the left, that's the aortic valve. Oxygen-rich blood flows through the aortic valve into this structure right here, which is called the aorta. It's got a couple parts. This is the ascending aorta, this is the arch of the aorta, and this is the descending aorta. Always be specific. From the ascending aorta, there are a couple of branches. This is the right coronary artery that supplies blood to the right side of the heart. This is the left coronary artery that supplies blood to the left side of the heart. There are a couple main branches. This branch here that circles around the back on the left is the circumflex artery, and this one right here is the left anterior descending artery. Coming up top, ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, descending aorta, there are three branches. In order, this is the brachiocephalic trunk, this is the left common carotid artery, and this is the left subclavian artery.